I have over 15 companies that are hiring remote workers. Now, 99% of these companies offer the typical benefits, the medical, dental, vision, 401k, PTO, holiday pay, all that good stuff. I only feature real legit companies that I would personally apply to myself. And in fact, I don't think any of these companies, but a lot of the companies that I've offered or that I feature on the channel, I've actually applied to. Now, if you don't see a position that you're specifically looking for, let me know in the comments below. So then when I do my research and I come across a position that you're looking for, then maybe I can feature it in a future video. First company I have is Wonderlic, and they currently have 2 customer success positions as well as 1 sales position. Okay, this is why I like to check out at least 1 job for each company, because Wonderlic is a company where they do offer 4-day work weeks. You can work from anywhere in the United States, 4-day work weeks, generous PTO plus paid company shutdown for the week of Christmas, benefits, medical, dental, vision, 401k. So this role specifically is a senior customer success manager. And obviously there's what the job responsibilities are, what they're looking for, at least 5 years, and then total compensation is $110,000 to $140,000. So yeah, if you are interested in this position or any of the positions that I talk about today, make sure you go to their website, the company's website, go to careers, and go ahead and apply. Next company is Carnival. They're looking for a personal vacation planner agent position, full-time, no travel required, remote, fully remote. Average salary is $80,000 to $85,000 a year. So you must live in Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, and Wisconsin. The pay is $14 per hour. Here are the requirements that they are looking for as far as your PC, what they must have. And then here are the shifts that they are hiring for. And this is a temporary part-time position. Next company is called, oh my gosh, all these pop-ups. It's called Conduit, and they're looking for a data entry processor. Lexington, Kentucky, $15 per hour plus benefits. The work schedule is Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, $15 an hour. You get full benefits. So yeah, if you're interested in that, is Conduit. Next company is called Chat Desk, and they're looking for a customer support expert. And it's an entry-level position, flexible remote work. Experts help companies provide top-notch support for their customers through social media. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and email. You set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and you never have to take a phone call. So you could be a stay-at-home parent or a working professional. So this is more of a side hustle. It doesn't say anything about the pay. And then in the application, you can note when you'd like to work. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the position, you can go to this link here and check out the free videos that takes you to YouTube, it looks like. Next company is a chat ticketing support representative with Leading Edge Connections Company. Chat, email, and phone. You'll help fans with orders, password resets, website support, and product troubleshooting. So you must have 1 to 3 years call center experience. You must be able to type 30 words per minute with 90% accuracy. High school diploma. Here is, okay, so you have to use your own computer. This is what they're looking for. And this is a 1099 position, paid training up to $13 an hour. And then when you are done training, you can get anywhere from $14 to $16 an hour. Next company is a social media associate, specifically Instagram, for a company called 2 Barrels. Pay is $50,000 a year. You own Instagram communication with the people for our brands. You must have 1 year experience as well as a degree in marketing. Now here are the benefits of the company. So 22 days off, so it's 4.5 weeks. So that's pretty cool. 100% employer paid medical, dental, and vision. And again, the company is called 2 Barrels. Now, maybe marketing is not your thing. They do have a couple of other positions. Software engineer, marketing manager. Oh, okay. So they also have social media marketing or social media associate for forums, Instagram, Facebook, X. So yeah, various positions. Next company is Colonist. They're looking for a community manager. Compensation is $2,000 to $3,000 a month. You are the voice, pulse, and connector of a fast-growing global gaming community. So you will own Discord moderate channels daily, community rules, manage bots and roles. So you must have experience in building and managing community. You're a gamer who wants to play board games and understand online communities firsthand. Okay, that's right. Yeah, it was $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Now, what I want to do is just pause for a second, because maybe you're looking for, having a job is great, right? Pays the bills today. But with how expensive everything is today, my paycheck wasn't enough. And in fact, I actually lost my job after 7 years, and I've experienced my second layoff in the last 10 years. And I decided that I wanted to take control over my income. So I decided to start a side hustle in actually social media marketing. And it's been a blessing for me and my family. My best month working a full-time job was $4,200 with my side hustle. And if you want to know what I'm up to and you want to check it out without having to sacrifice a ton of time doing it, there's no experience, no degree. If you want info, click on the link in the description below. Next company is called Mix Match. They're looking for a senior customer success manager and a staff software engineer. So here is what the role is all about. Obviously, you're a software engineer, so you make software. Oh, this is interesting. It's a dual role. So you're on the product team as well as on the technical software team. And yeah, it doesn't say anything about the pay or benefits, but if you're interested, you can check them out. Next is a company called offchain.io, and they have a ton of remote positions here. Finance, leadership, marketing, people, product, and of course, engineering. So the perks are they are a remote first company, medical, dental, vision, 401k, home setup, wellness stipend, and they don't talk about the pay anywhere. Next is a company called Upland, and they're looking for a technical support analyst. And you have to look out because some are remote, some aren't. Technical consultant, senior technical consultant, solutions consultant, customer success manager, revenue program manager. So yeah, you have to keep an eye on where you live as well. And then a senior account executive. Next is a company called Kelpa, and they are looking for operations roles for product, commercial, engineering, operations, a good amount of engineering positions here. So if you're interested in any of those positions, feel free to apply. Next, I have a company called Muck Rack, and they're looking for a customer account executive. So customer support positions, security, engineering, finance, sales. So we'll take a look at this account executive position. Here's what you'll do. So you must have 3 to 5 years experience in sales or account management. Salary for this role is $125,000 up, depending on sales and skills and experience. So you do receive a base salary plus commission. Last but not least, a company is Thumbtack. Now, when you go to their careers page, you just select your location and then check the box. So I just checked off United States. So they have positions, business development, product, legal, marketing, engineering, of course. Those are the companies that I have for you today. Again, if you're interested in one of them, definitely go to their careers page on their personal website and go ahead and apply. I wish you the best of luck. And if you want future videos just like this, please this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.